if you're a fan of me. Lollipop, yeah. Just enjoy some music about food. And also, I forgot my mic. So, let's just go.
Can you tell them what are you doing?
Hi guys, I'm helping my mom cook rice.
Oh.
And you've been waiting for my showing all the edits competition. And I told you that in a lot of weeks ago, I forgot what was the month and what was the date. I told you that I'm gonna release an edit competition. Like Nico, because he already did it. He already did his edit competition. I don't know why and when he did that, but I'm gonna show you the rice that I'm helping my mom with. This is the rice. I'm not gonna drop it.
Okay, what's the next step?
Mom, what's the next step?
Oh yeah. Put some more water.
Put some more water
And wash the rice.
and wash the rice.
Okay. The water.
And put out the water.
Oh. Wash again.
And wash again. Mom, do we have a blending machine here?
Why do you need that? You don't need that for cooking rice.
But Mom, I want to make a smoothie.
Oh, come on, what?
A smoothie.
Smoothie? What smoothie? Come on,
The one-
wash it. Wash the rice na ulit. Okay.
Mom, what's the second step? I mean, what's the third step? Oh my gosh, you're getting pregnant, Mom.
What? No.
Yes, you are. Look.
Shut
Look at-
up. Shut up. Continue washing the rice.
Mom, why did you say a bad word?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was a
Guys.
bad word. You're right.
My mom said a bad word. By the way, I'm telling my dad.
Sorry. That was a bad word. Oh, are you done? Are you done helping me?
No! Dad! Mom said a bad word.
Ang bungero. Come here. Finish cooking the rice na, Nim.
Sorry, guys. I gotta tell my dad.
What? Tell your dad what?
Dad, my mom said a bad word.
I'm gonna cut the video na.
I'm not yet done. Mom, what's for step 3?
Alright. I finished it already and then you have to...
What?
Well,
One.
you have to...
You gotta
already.
cook a one.
Wait,
You gotta
excuse
cook a walrus.
Right.
You gotta cook a walrus.
You don't need to use measurement because we can use your hand. You can use your hand. You
I
don't
don't-
need a measuring cup for that, Nim. Just wait, please.
Yes.
Wait! I said wait!
Mom, make sure you cut the video.
Why would I?
Or else everyone from Australia will go bananas.
Why? What do you mean by that?
Because in the Bluey show, Bandit and Chili said
Okay.
he's gone bananas. She's
I
gone.
think it's done. Come here. Put it here. Come on, put it here.
Come on now.
Put it here.
Mom, wait. The water.
No, that's okay.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright, and then wait.
Where's the?
Two. Oh, can you
George.
pick it up?
Pick it up. Make it up.
Yeah.
Mix it up.
Mix it up. You have two. How about you?
No.
Why
I'll
not?
get electrocuted.
Okay, I'll do it.
Dad. Mom
Sumbong
is
ka.
making me saksa for the video.
Here, come on. I'm not doing that. Oh, come on.
So that's cooking.
Oh, yeah. Press down, press down. Oh,
Okay,
yo.
guys, so it's cooking. So wait for a few moments later. Mom, how many minutes will it go?
I don't know, maybe 30.
Wait for 30 minutes.